What's up, guys? It's now Friday, October the 7th, and we are headed to North Carolina currently. We're currently about 30 minutes from the house, and just stopped to get some lunch. We're gonna cruise over and get a couple decals. I need a new one for the rear glass and stuff. And we're gonna run by and pick up that from my buddy Greg Rawls. If any of you guys are in the CRV community, he does the side graphics for the CRVs like I have on mine. But I'm gonna go pick up some stuff from him real quick, be headed out. Well, we're just cruising along. We're about, I don't know, I've been 134 miles since I filled it. You know, just been cruising, got my new decals on back there, and I'll show you those in a minute. And we're just crossing into the corner of Georgia.
Welcome to Georgia.
Welcome to Georgia, she said. Just cruising over here. We got it on about 80 right there now. Just cruising, my boy. So we'll stop in.
Available.
We'll stop in a few minutes and stretch the legs, and I'll show you these new decals we got from Greg. Well, we had to get off the interstate because there was a wreck, and now we're nearing back to the interstate. I guess we're just a traffic jam of people getting back onto the interstate. Hopefully, oh, we did just cross into Tennessee too, but because we were on this back road, we didn't have no welcome to Tennessee sign. Okay, so upon further inspection, this overpass here, this train overpass, is a single lane under it. So that's why we're in a backlog here. It's they're going to switch turns with the people in the opposing direction as to who's going under the overpass. Man, I guess on an average day, this probably isn't that big of a deal. Yeah, when the interstate is shut down, it becomes a pretty big headache. Especially when you got semis and stuff coming through here. You can see some behind me there. Yeah. So we stopped right here at the MAPCO right off I-24, I believe it is. I'll show you the stickers that they got made at the Tee Eat Wheel. So we got those stickers made, and we got another sticker made for the back glass, the Honda Resource. So yeah, I kind of dig that. I had Greg make it in kind of like the font, kind of like the Volk wheels. Just thought it'd be pretty funny. So we got one of those on each of the wheels now. Honda Resource logo on the back, and then of course, like I said, Greg makes these style, the retro decals. So if you're interested in any of those, he does custom ones such as mine, where you integrated Yeet into it, and you know, my Honda Resource logo. But he makes them kind of any color combination or anything you could imagine. So yeah, Greg Rawls. I'll put his information in the description. Still cruising along. We're somewhere up here in Tennessee, about an hour and, I don't know, 10 minutes away from our destination in North Carolina. The sun is at my back, so I'm headed east. Just stopped at Walmart, picked up some meat. Got some pork chops and some sirloin steak and one of those rotisserie chickens that's already cooked. Oh, and some mac and cheese, because yeah, we're going to fire up the grill at the Airbnb. staying with some friends, and they said just bring meat, or bring meat, bring food, and bring alcohol. So got a little 12-pack of Michelob's, and just gonna chill. They got all their little liquor and stuff, and I ain't about that. So I'm too old. Just want to chill. So hopefully here in a few we'll be seeing some more mountainous views, as we got to go through some curvy little roads for the next little bit. I just got fuel also, and it averaged like 17.5 miles per gallon, which I knew was about 17, so it's pretty consistent. If anyone wonders about the fuel mileage of the Yeeter, there you go. It's about 17 miles a gallon, and it requires premium because of the engine being the TSX engine. Otherwise, you get a lot of spark detonations, so what people call like your valves rattling, spark detonation. So if you don't put premium in there, that's what you get. So I put the premium, peace of mind. Route on the map here, so you can see just how curvy this is. So I pulled over real quick just to take a breather. stretch my little back. Man, my back's been killing me. CRV is not very comfortable to me riding for hours. But yeah, check out the scenery out here, man. It's just God's country out here. You can see these curves just whoosh, whoosh. There's somebody coming now. Hear him. Oh, yep. That's it. our destination. I think we're pretty close. Let's see how far we are. 10 miles. So we're not too bad out. So let's go. All right, so we made it out to our rental for the night. Got a really nice Airbnb. It sleeps like 15 people or something. So there's a river right out here. So we just ate some dinner, and now we're in here playing some ping pong and just hanging out. Good morning from our Airbnb right outside of the Dragon. It's actually on 129, which is this road out here. Continue this way and go to the Dragon. So let's go show you guys our house and all the cars that people stayed here last night. So there's a big old house we stayed in. Really nice. There's some of the cars. We'll go up here up top and show you more. But it's right by a little river. It's pretty sick. Something like right behind the house. You got the river. And with some great views, man. And it's so peaceful, like you can hear the water running. You know, when traffic's not passing by, and it's see the leaves are already starting to change colors. So got a lot of nice autumn vibes over here, you know. But yep, that's the squad for everybody that stayed here last night, and we're gonna be rolling out to the Dragon here in a few. There's been quite a few people come through. Oh, yeet, yeet, yeet. So everybody's getting in their cars now. We just ate some breakfast and just letting the cars warm up a little bit, and then we're about to hit the road. Over out here. Hey, there's a RV doing the Dragon too. It's one of those events that you need a drone, and I don't have one. There's so many Hondas here. So we're gonna walk through and check them out, see what we can find. I found another CRV, and it has RSX wheels on it. Heck yeah. And another CRV. Oh, look. VTEC head. Heck yeah. GSR head. So I saw this Accord, and it's got a K20A2 in it, and it looks like you graphed in the RSX mounts. It's pretty sweet. And then also it has the RSX cluster and the HVAC controls. Sick.
What, it's been like 2-3 years since the exhibition? No, mocha. He's got
So we made it home from the classic condos on the Dragon, and it was a really good trip. I met a couple people up there, other YouTubers. I met up with Chris Sadowski and Mark from Honda Street Garage. That was pretty cool to see them. I also saw Honda Pro Jason. I didn't really talk to him this go around, but yeah, it was pretty neat to see all those guys up there, and it was an excellent crowd up there at Classic Condos on the Dragon. Probably one of the best meets I've been to in some years. Just had cool vibes, and just more of like my kind of people, more of the older crowd, and just overall great experience, great family atmosphere. You know, if you wanted to bring your kids out to something like that, that would be a good one to bring them to. They do it every year. This was the 7th annual Classic Hondas on the Dragon, so I'm sure they'll keep doing it for several years to come. There was probably 500 to 700 cars there on Saturday. I didn't stay for Sunday. Anyways, thanks for stopping by and checking out my video for Classic Hondas on the Dragon. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm very pleased with how well the old CR Yeeter performed. You know, it's not a sports car, and it really it held its own for being just an old beater CRV that actually wasn't built for that kind of purpose. You know, more for off-road, not curves and stuff like that. But hey, she held her own. She did well. I'm definitely happy with it. So thanks so much for stopping by. I hope to see you again soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna get out of these dadgum bugs.